Ever wondered how fast you can actually click? Let's find out. Welcome to CPSTester.com, a free click speed test that measures your clicks per second, right inside your browser. No downloads, no sign-up, and unlimited tries. Here's how it works. First, pick your time. You get 8 modes, from a quick 1-second sprint to 2, 5, 10, 15, 30, 60, all the way up to a 100-second endurance run. Choose whichever suits your style. Now just click the pad. Your very first click starts the timer. After that, click as fast as you comfortably can. A live counter tracks your total clicks and your real-time clicks per second the whole way through. When the timer hits 0, you instantly get your CPS score, plus a fun skill rank. Land anywhere from snail and turtle to rabbit and cheetah, all the way up to octopus and the elite cyborg tier. Your best score for the session is saved at the bottom, and you can hit reset anytime to chase a higher number. Want to compete? Head to the leaderboard, log in or sign up, and climb the global ranks against clickers everywhere. And it doesn't stop there. Explore the guide and articles to master pro techniques, like jitter clicking, butterfly clicking, and drag clicking, to push your speed even higher. Whether you're training for Minecraft PvP, sharpening your aim, or just having fun, it works perfectly on desktop, tablet, and phone. So, go ahead. Pick a time, start clicking, and beat your best score today, only on CPSTester.com.